Everyone, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Button, and we are doing some more word animals today. So, if you've been with me all along, you've done the dog, the cat, the fish, and the frog, and you have also done the fox, the fly, the lion, and the ape. Today, we're going to do 3 more. If you've got a sub from my class, you have one of these pieces of paper in front of you. If you are doing this at home, again, find a ruler. Make the top line, make the bottom line, make the dotted line down the center. Your life will be easier. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Hey, so if you're in my classroom, you have your pencil. You're going to probably want to sharpen it. I'm sharpening mine. So you need your pencil with your sharpener. You need your eraser. You need your box crayons. On this page, you need to write your teacher's name and your name first and last. So today, we're not doing animals. We're going to do something kind of silly. We're going to draw aliens, UFOs, and a robot. We're going to start with let's start alien. So, for alien, we're going to use a capital A. So draw me that triangle-shaped A with the cross across the middle. And draw the L, the I, make the dot, the E, and the N. So our alien is actually 2 things. He's going to end up being our spaceship and the actual alien. So we're going to start with the alien first. So we're going to come here with our I. We're going to curve it up, touch our dot, curve it over, touch the N. And then we're going to come down to the bottom. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to curve it over to touch the N. Then we're going to take our N here. We're going to curve it over, just a little curve. And we're going to close off our E. We're going to make a second line that looks like this right here. These are going to turn into our alien eyeballs. So go ahead and draw me a circle and color it in. And that one, and we're going to draw a second circle. We're going to color it in our E. So there we have our alien face. We're going to draw kind of a triangle shape coming out of his body. So we're going to come down, and we're going to give it this double foot thing. And we're going to draw a line partway across, or partway down it's going to go across. We're going to divide that in half. There's his 2 feet. Mine aren't equal. That's okay. And we're going to draw, curve out and back in, kind of like a curvy raindrop. And this one's going to curve down and back in. And then we're going to give him a smile, make him a friendly alien. And we'll give him his antennas, give him 2. Give him a dot at the top. There's our alien. So now we're going to make the A and the L into his spaceship. So we have one wall. We're going to draw the other wall over here. And we're going to connect the bottom. Then we're going to draw a pointy top. We're going to draw a little window. Make it a traditional window. And we'll make his door right here. And we'll give him some steps up into his little spaceship. And there you have our alien. Next, we're going to go draw his UFO. So, UFO is all capital letters. So we're going to come over here to give us some space. And you're going to draw me a big U. Big F, and a big O. Okay, inside our F, we're going to continue it down and across, and we're going to divide this up into a couple of different sections. So divide that F shape into a put that into F shape into a rectangle and divide it into a couple sections. Then we're going to curve over our U. And now we're going to draw that football shape. Draw that football shape that comes up and over, and down and around. Now, I'm running out of room. So, my alien spaceship's going to hit the top. It's going to hit the top, and we call it done. Inside our spaceship, our UFO, we're going to draw an upside down U shape. We're going to give him a single eyeball with an oval. Give me a circle in the center. Give him a smile. Let's give him 2 of those crazy antennas with dots on them. And there's our UFO, our unidentified flying object. Okay, last one. We're going to draw the robot. Now, I know the robot's going to take some room, so I'm going to come over here so it can take some room and not interfere with my alien. So, we are going to start out with a capital R. And then an O. And then a B. And then another O. And then a T for robot. Okay, you ready? This one's going to take a little bit. We're going to curve from our R over to our B. And we're going to extend it down, extend it down. I'm going to draw the line across the bottom. We're going to extend our R over to touch our wall. This is eventually going to become our robot head. We're going to go from, it's kind of about the middle, a little bit more to the left of our O, over to our T. We're going to draw, I don't remember what they're called. They're the rectangles with the angled in at the bottom. Okay. No. I don't know what they're called. That's what the shape is. And you're going to draw me a rectangle and then a longer rectangle underneath. We're going to divide that bigger rectangle into thirds. And this is why I said we needed the extra room. Inside this shape, we're going to draw a rectangle. And we will draw 2 circles. So we're ready to give our robot some details. We're going to give him an eyeball right here. We'll give him an eyeball right here. Now you can see his face. We'll draw a circle. We'll give him an antenna. Circle up there. So he's got a nice circle. Oh, we need to give him some wheels so he can go somewhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels for mine. If you have less than that, that's fine. I just had enough room for 5, so I made 5. So we're going to draw our robot arms next. We're going to draw the arm for the left side. So we're going to draw a curve out, and a curve out. We're going to draw an upside down U. We're going to make it flat. We're going to draw a line up the center. We're going to draw some lines across that arm to make it look like it's bendable. Now we're going to go over here. We're going to turn this into part of his other arm. So his other hand is going to be right here. We're going to go like that. This one, I'm going to draw some curves over to it. Draw those lines so that it looks like his robot arm can go out and come back. I'm going to turn this into, I don't know, what do you want to call it? We'll turn it into a space telescope. How about that? So, then you can put a point on the end with a circle. We'll call it a space telescope. So he's looking in here and seeing what's over here. And there you have our robot. Pretty cool. So, Robot, UFO, alien. Hope you had fun. I'll see you soon.